Hey, good morning, Insta family. I am waking up to this absolutely breathtaking view here in the heart of Switzerland. Just look at this beauty. Today, we are heading to one of the most magical places I have ever seen, Lauterbrunnen, often called the Valley of 72 Waterfalls. It's tucked right between dramatic cliffs and snow capped peaks, and every corner feels straight out of a fairy tale. From cascading waterfalls to cozy alpine houses and dreamy meadows, Lauterbrunnen is truly Switzerland's hidden gem. If you love nature, adventure, and peace, this is your sign to add it to your travel list. Stay tuned for some unreal views.